Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is the new DIY video on candle holder. We are going to make a 3D reindeer. For that I have mentioned all the measurements here and I will also give the template link in the description box. These are the different designs of cuttings which we are going to make. I have made two type of designs over here. You can use either of them. For making this we need a cardboard. If we will use thin cardboard it will look more beautiful. Here I have drawn all the cutting shapes on my cardboard and I am going to cut them. The measurement for this is 9 cm and 6 cm and it's 2 cm thick. So firstly I am going to cut this. So these first two designs are for the first and second leg from the front part, and second two designs are for third and fourth leg from the back part. Now as per the mark I am going to cut it 1 centimeter deep, and the cut should be very thin as per the cardboard size, so it will be fixed into the other cardboard piece. For first and third cutting it will be a straight cut, and for second and fourth leg it will be a little bit tilted, so it will be mentioned in the template also. Also you should be keep in mind that how if you are making the cut of 1 centimeter deep, then for the other parts of the pieces also you need to make 1 centimeter deep cut, so it will be totally fixed in one another. For coloring I am using acrylic black paint over here and I am going to color all the parts. Now we will fix all the pieces. So this first piece from the center part I am going to fix it here. You can see how it got merged into one and another. Similarly we are going to fix all the other pieces. Now I have made two type of designs for this part. You can use either of them. I am using this below one and I have cut two pieces of for the same. You can either use this one or you can also use the other one too. With this type of design you can easily put it like this. I have also cut some other pieces which will work as three. So I have three other cuttings plus one more reindeer shape who is facing in the different direction. Now I am going to color them too. So if you can see, one is facing in different direction, another one is facing in different. So we are going to put them like this. Here for the base I am using a tiles. You can either use a cardboard or thermocol piece, and then with the help of glue gun I am going to fix them on the piece of tile. Fix other tree cutting also. For the candles you can either use this type of candle or a big one, or maybe electric candles also. So we are going to put them in the center part. For that I have made this piece with the cardboard sheet itself, so that the candle will be fixed into it. So the size is of the candle and this piece is same. I'm going to fix it here with the glue gun after coloring it black. Yeah, so it's ready. You can put the candle in the center. I have used this big red fragrance candle. So basic parts are ready and it's looking very beautiful. If you want to do some more detailing you can do, like we can do the black color on the border of the tile. But yeah, it's ready and it's giving a 3D look. Also I am going to light this candle and show you in the dark how it will look. We can decorate this piece on the center table and it will beautify your space. This 3D candle holder is ready and it's very easy and beautiful to make. So if you also try this craft at your home, please send your craft picture with me on my Instagram and Facebook page. The link is in the description box. I will share your craft on my Insta stories. Also, if you are new to my channel, I upload a new video every Monday. So hit the subscribe button to get notified for my new uploads. Like, comment, share and subscribe and press the bell icon.